everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about computer science test chapter number 2. As in our last video, we have started a test series in which we are making tests about total marks is 30 and time limit is 60 minutes, right? So again, the first portion is objective. In the objective section, you have 4 MCQs and you have to answer those MCQs in A, B, C, D option. You have to pick any one and fill the bubble sheet given to you. Cutting, overwriting, you know that it's not allowed. If you will do this, if you do so, so you will be resulting 0 marks in that question. So let's just start. In the first statement, it's mentioned which of the option is not a type of operator. So we have studied that there are 4 types of operator: arithmetic, logical, relational, and logical, and relational operator. We have studied that there are 4 types of operator: assignment operator, arithmetic, logical, and relational operator. There is no check operator available. We haven't studied anything like that. So check operator is the right answer. Then second is which of the option is a valid character, right? So we know that this thing that character will be only a single character enclosed in single quotes, right? Although A is a single character, but it's enclosed in double quotes, so it's not correct answer. So 9 is the correct answer. Third is which operator has highest precedence among the given option, राइट? ये आपके पास 4 ऑपरेटर्स दिए गए हैं, आपको उसमें से एक ऑपरेटर जिसकी हाईएस्ट प्रेसिडेंस होती है वो चूज करना है. एंड यू नो दैट दिस इक्वल ऑपरेटर इज हैविंग द लोवेस्ट प्रेसिडेंस, सो नॉट ऑपरेटर की सबसे ज्यादा हाईएस्ट प्रेसिडेंस होती है. इट मींस फर्स्ट वी हैव टू सॉल्व नॉट ऑपरेटर, राइट, आफ्टर द ब्रैकेट ऑपरेटर्स. Next option is the operator modulus. This percentage sign we used to read it like modulus operator is used to calculate blank. Modulus operator किस लिए यूज किया जाता है? To calculate percentage, remainder, factorial और square. So the modulus operator is used to calculate remainder, right? जो हमें remainder चाहिए होता है, हम उसको calculate करने के लिए modulus operator को यूज करते हैं. So that's all for objective portion. In the subjective section, first हमारे पास आता है short questions का section, and in this short questions you have to attempt any 5 question. Almost आपके पास 7 questions हैं, 2 questions के आपके पास option है. Okay, so first question is what are escape sequence and why we need them. Okay, so it's pretty clear that what are the escape sequences. Think about. Escape sequence, as you know that it actually forces you to print to escape from its normal behavior, right? आप एक escape combination of escape character use करते हो with that specific slide slash, जिसमें आप उसको T use करते हो, N use करते हो to move next line, T for tab, A for to play some sound, right? So it's actually specifies it actually will escape its normal behavior. जो आपका printf का normal behavior होता है उसको change करने के लिए हम लोग escape sequence use करते हैं. Then difference between scanf and getch. You know that scanf is a print to take input from the user and getch is used to get character from the user. But please इसके जितने like you have to write down the proper definition. मैं आपको एक वैसे ही hint दे रही हूँ. If you don't remember the proper definition, so you can write this as well. But अगर आप proper definition लिखोगे तो at least definitely उसके ज़्यादा marks आपको मिलेंगे. So scanf एक built-in function है C language का. You can describe it like that. Scanf is a built-in function in C language that takes input from user into the variable. So you will be getting any input from the user and you will be saving that input into the variable. Getch function is used to read a character from user. This function accepts characters only. So the character entered by user does not get displayed on the screen. It's just going to get the character and that's it. Next, question number 3. Why formats specifiers are important to be specified in IO operations? So, and you know that format specifiers are important because it actually helps to specify format of data type during input and output operation, right? So format specifier always preceded by a percentage sign, यानी कि अगर आपका D है तो आप मॉडुलस percentage sign D लगाएंगे तो it will display that this data type or this input variable or the whatever you are going to display will be saved in D, modulus D. Write a program that finds and display the rightmost digits of an input number. So it's just a program. आपको rightmost digit display कराना है. rightmost digit को get करने के लिए क्या तरीका होता है? आपको सिर्फ divide करना है और remainder लेकर उसको display करा देना है. That's it. Write a program that swaps the value of two integers. एक temporary variable बनाए और उसमें values को swap कर लें. It's quite easy. Difference between logical and relational operator. Relational operators used to compare two values to determine the relationship between values. As name suggested, it's going to display some relationship between two values. And the logical operators performs operation on Boolean expressions and it actually returns a Boolean value as a result. Means where the logic will be involved. Next question is write down output of the following code. So this is my code. First, let me see, do we have any error here? But they have mentioned that we have to write down an output. So definitely there will be some output. So first इसको हम solve करेंगे. 5 is greater than 3. Equation को solve करेंगे and then one line will be printed. 5 is greater than 3. Yes, it is. And ऑपरेटर यूज हुआ है तो आई नीड टू मेक श्योर दैट कि उसके अपोजिट साइड की कंडीशन भी ट्रू होनी चाहिए इस कंडीशन को ट्रू होने के लिए. सो 4 इज नॉट ग्रेटर देन 6. सो इसका इस कंडीशन का ओवरऑल आंसर मेरे पास आएगा फॉल्स, राइट. एंड देन 7 इज ग्रेटर देन 3. इट्स ग्रेटर देन 3. तो यहाँ पर मेरे पास 1 डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा यानी कि ट्रू डिस्प्ले होगा. But you can try this on your compiler as well. Next is void main. It's actually int a4 b doesn't have any value, float c equals to 2.3 और c and a को मल्टीप्लाई करके मैं उसकी वैल्यू b में रखवा रही हूँ, बट b is an integer value, राइट. सो जो मेरे पास आंसर आएगा वो आएगा 4 2 8, 8 पॉइंट समथिंग जो भी होगा उसको डिस्कार्ड कर दिया जाएगा क्योंकि b इज एन इंटीजर डेटा टाइप. सो b के अंदर सिर्फ इंटीजर वैल्यूज ही स्टोर हो सकती हैं. मे बी वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग 2.3 विद 4 बट द आंसर विल ऑलवेज अपीयर इन इंटीजर क्योंकि b की डेटा टाइप इंट है. So that's it for long short questions. Let's see what are the long questions. Again, for the long question you have two options. Okay, so the first question is chapter number 3. Question number 3, define operators precedence in detail. So it's 4 marks का question है. You can just draw the table जिसमें आप बता सकते हैं कि किस ऑपरेटर की कितनी प्रेसिडेंस है. सबसे पहले ब्रैकेट की 1 है, एंड पे आपके पास इक्वल साइन की है. Write a program that takes marks of two subjects from user and display the sums of marks on console. It's very easy. आपको यूजर से दो इनपुट लेने हैं दो सब्जेक्ट्स के, राइट. दो वेरिएबल बनेंगे और उनको फिर डिस्प्ले करवाना है. What are the operators? Explain their types as well. सो 4 टाइप्स के ऑपरेटर्स होते हैं। आपके पास ऑपरेटर्स क्यों यूज किए जाते हैं, फर्स्ट यू नीड टू एक्सप्लेन दिस थिंग, देन उनकी टाइप्स आपके पास जो 4 हैं वो एक्सप्लेन करें इनको, राइट। सो बेसिकली ऑपरेटर्स आपके पास क्या होते हैं, ऑपरेटर्स 4 टाइप्स के होते हैं, अरिथमेटिकल, लॉजिकल, रिलेशनल एंड असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर। Then further you can type mention the types as well, or you can make just write down the names of those types. Write a program that displays the following output using single printf statement. So it's quite easy, you just have to use escape sequences between these characters. That's it. Okay, so that's all from chapter number 2. So that's it for today. In next lesson we will be learning about chapter number 3. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.